I've earned 30 plus certifications, and I'm here to guide you to success on your exam. Welcome to the Ultimate 300 to 430 Exam Masterclass. Are you ready to crack the 300 to 430 exam in one go? You're in the right place. In this session, we'll arm you with powerful insights and hand-picked questions that can make all the difference in your exam performance. We've scanned the web using intelligent crawlers to gather the most critical and high-impact questions, all compiled into one powerful PDF resource. You can download it from the link in the description. Not only will we explore these must-practice questions, but we'll also share real exam experiences and pro tips to give you that competitive edge. Let's dive into the key questions that could shape your success. Question 1. On a branch office deployment, it has been noted that if the FlexConnect AP is in standalone mode and loses connection to the WLC, all clients are disconnected, and the SSID is no longer advertised. Considering that FlexConnect local switching is enabled, which setting is causing this behavior? A. ICNAC is enabled. B. 802.11 Our fast transition is enabled. C. Client exclusion is enabled. D. FlexConnect local auth is disabled. Correct answer A. ICNAC is enabled. Explanation. When ICNAC is enabled, client authentication depends on the controller or IC connectivity. If the WLC connection is lost, the AP stops broadcasting SIDs. Question 2. An engineer must implement intrusion protection on the WLAN. The AP coverage is adequate and on-channel attacks are the primary concern. The building is historic, which makes adding APs difficult. Which AP mode and submode must be implemented? A. AP mode local, AP submode none. B. AP mode monitor, AP submode WIPS. C. AP mode monitor, AP submode none. D. AP mode local, AP submode WIPS. Correct answer D. AP mode local, AP submode WIPS. Explanation. Local mode with WIPS submode allows APs to detect on-channel attacks while still providing client service, ideal for limited AP environments. Question 3. An engineer is implementing a FlexConnect group for access points at a remote location using local switching but central DHCP. Which client feature becomes available only if this configuration is changed? A. Multicast. B. Static IP. C. Fast roaming. D. MDNS. Correct answer B. Static IP. Explanation. Clients with static IPs are supported only when both switching and DHCP are local, as central DHCP requires communication with the WLC. Question 4. A FlexConnect remote office deployment is using 52702 IAPs indoors and 21532 IAPs outdoors. When a code upgrade is performed and FlexConnect Smart AP image upgrade is leveraged, but no FlexConnect Master AP has been configured, how many image transfers between the WLC and APs will occur? A1, B2, C5, D7. Correct answer B. 2. Explanation. Without a master AP, one image per model type is transferred. Here, two transfers occur, one for 2702i and one for 1532i models. Question 5. Where is a Cisco OEP enabled on a Cisco Catalyst 9800 series wireless controller? A. RF profile. B. Flex profile. C. Policy profile. D. AP join profile. Correct answer B. Flex profile. Explanation. OEP settings are enabled under the Flex profile, which defines the operational parameters for Office Extend APs. Question 6. When configuring a Cisco WLC, which CLI command adds a VLAN with VLAN ID of 30 to a FlexConnect group named branch AFCG? A. Config Flex Connect branch AFCG VLAN 30 add. B. Config Flex Connect branch AFCG VLAN add 30. C. Config Flex Connect group branch AFCG VLAN 30 add. D. Config Flex Connect group branch AFCG VLAN add 30. Correct answer D. Config Flex Connect group branch AFCG VLAN add 30. Explanation. The correct syntax specifies the Flex Connect group followed by VLAN add and the VLAN ID. Question 7. A corporation is spread across different countries and uses MPLS to connect the offices. To ensure strong connectivity and minimize delays, an engineer needs to control the traffic traversing between APs and the WLC. Which configuration should be used? A. Flex Connect mode with central switching enabled. B. Flex Connect mode with central authentication. C. Flex Connect mode with Office Extend enabled. D. Flex Connect mode with local authentication. Correct answer D. Flex Connect mode with local authentication. Explanation. Flex Connect local authentication ensures clients authenticate and switch locally, reducing latency and WAN dependency. Question 8. An engineer configures a Cisco AeroNet 600 series Office Extend AP for a user who works remotely. What is configured on the Cisco WLC to allow the user to print to a printer on the home network? A. Split tunneling. B. SE Connect. C. Flex Connect. D. AP failover priority. Correct answer A. Split tunneling. Explanation. Split tunneling allows local traffic, like printing, to bypass the tunnel to the controller and stay on the home LAN. Question 9. An engineer must configure a Cisco WLC to support Cisco AeroNet 600 series Office Extend APs. Which two Layer 2 security options are supported? Choose 2. A. Static WP plus 802.1x. B. WPA plus WPA2. C. Static WP. D. CKIP. E. 802.1x. Correct answer B and C. WPA plus WPA2. Static WP. Explanation. Office Extend supports WPA/WPA2 and static WP security, providing compatibility for both legacy and secure devices. Question 10. An organization is supporting remote workers with Office Extend. Wireless works, but users lose connectivity to local printers. Which solution fixes this? A. UEP Gateway Override. B. UEP Split Tunnel. C. WLAN Static IP Tunneling. D. Flex Connect Local Switching. Correct answer B. UEP Split Tunnel. Explanation. UEP split tunneling allows local LAN access like printers while keeping corporate traffic in the tunnel. Question 11. What is configured to use more than one port on the UEP to extend the wired network? A. Remote LAN ACL. B. AAA override. C. Client load balancing. D. Remote LAN. Correct answer D. Remote LAN. Explanation. The remote LAN configuration allows additional wired devices to connect through the UEP ports. Question 12. An engineer must implement Cisco IC with Flex Connect and dynamically assign user subnets. If the subnet is local, traffic stays local. If not, it's tunneled to the WLC. Which feature enables this? A. Learn client IP address. B. Flex Connect local authentication. C. VLAN-based central switching. D. Central DHCP processing. Correct answer B. Flex Connect local authentication. Explanation. Flex Connect local authentication lets clients authenticate locally while maintaining VLAN assignments for efficient routing. Question 13. After configuring a NAT address on the WLC, the controller stops responding to internal APs. Which command resolves this? A. Config FlexConnect Office Extend NAT IP Only Disable. B. Config Network AP Discovery NAP IP Only Enable. C. Config FlexConnect Office Extend NAT IP Only Enable. D. Config Network AP Discovery NAT IP Only Disable. Correct answer D. Config Network AP Discovery NAT IP Only Disable. Explanation. Disabling NT-IP only discovery ensures APs can join using both NAT and internal IP addresses. Question 14. An enterprise with FlexConnect APs must support 802.11r and CCKM roaming. What must be implemented? A. Enable VLAN-based central switching. B. Enable FlexConnect local authentication. C. Enable FlexConnect local switching. D. Create FlexConnect groups. Correct answer D. Create FlexConnect groups. Explanation. FlexConnect groups enable key caching synchronization needed for 802.11r and CCKM roaming. Question 15. To allow OEP1810s to join the WLC through a firewall, which two configurations are required? Choose two. A. Block UDP ports 1812 and 1813. B. Enable NAT address on the 5520. C. Configure static IP on the OEP. D. Allow UDP ports 5246 and 5247. E. Allow UDP ports 12222 and 12223. Correct answer, B and D. Enable NAT address on the 5520. Allow UDP ports 5246 and 5247. Explanation. NAT configuration and allowing CAPWAP ports 5246/5247 ensures successful AP communication with the controller. Question 16. When APs are converted to FlexConnect, WLAN A works but WLAN B doesn't. Switching back to local mode reverses the issue. What's required? A. Create a Cisco FlexConnect group with WLAN VLAN mapping. B. Disable local switching on the WLANs. C. Map the AP group to the WLAN interface. D. Join the APs to a Cisco FlexConnect group. Correct answer A. Create a Cisco FlexConnect group with WLAN VLAN mapping. Explanation. WLAN VLAN mapping ensures each SSID is correctly associated with its VLAN in FlexConnect mode. Question 17. Which configuration ensures wireless voice traffic class of service determines queue order and matches DSCP values on egress? A. Platinum QoS on WLAN. B. WMM required on WLAN. C. MSL QoS Trust DSCP. D. MSL QoS Trust COS. Correct answer D. MSL QoS Trust COS. Explanation. Trusting COS allows voice frames to maintain their priority from wireless to wired networks. Question 18. When using Cisco Catalyst 9800 WLC, which statement about AutoQoS is true? A. It has predefined profiles you can't modify. B. It matches traffic and assigns each matched packet to QoS groups. C. It automates wired QoS and simplifies wireless QoS setup. D. It allows output policy mapping. Correct answer B. It matches traffic and assigns each matched packet to QoS groups. Explanation. AutoQoS dynamically classifies traffic into QoS groups, simplifying policy assignment across WLANs. Question 19. For 8865 IP phones with wireless clients, which switch feature distinguishes voice from data traffic? A. Voice VLAN. B. QBSS. C. WME. D. QoS routing. Correct answer A. Voice VLAN. Explanation. The voice VLAN separates and prioritizes IP phone traffic for optimized VoIP performance. Question 20. For APs in local mode across multiple VLANs, which trust model is used on switch ports? A. COS. B. WMM up. C. DSCP. D. IPP. Correct answer, C. DSCP. Explanation. Trusting DSCP ensures end-to-end QoS markings are maintained for traffic from APs to switches. Question 21. To prioritize WebEx traffic and ensure high quality, what must be implemented? A. QoS preferred call index. B. Up to DSCP map. C. AVC profiles. D. WLAN QoS profile. Correct answer, C. AVC profiles. Explanation. AVC profiles identify and prioritize WebEx traffic, guaranteeing optimal video and voice performance. Question 22. All APs are FlexConnect with centrally switched SIDs. How can wireless packets maintain QoS markings across wired and wireless networks? A. Set QoS to Platinum. B. Enable CAC. C. Allow WMM. D. Trust DSCP. Correct answer A. Set QoS to Platinum. Explanation. The Platinum QoS profile ensures priority handling of voice and video traffic across the entire path. Question 23. A client's video application needs 391 megabits per second average throughput. What QoS marking should be applied? A. Platinum. B. Gold. C. Silver. D. Bronze. Correct answer A. Platinum. Explanation. The Platinum profile provides the highest QoS level suitable for high bandwidth real-time video applications. Question 24. An engineer must prioritize Cisco IP cameras using AVC. Which element should be configured in the rule? A. Permit ACL. B. WMM required. C. Mark. D. Rate limit. Correct answer, C. Mark. Explanation. The mark element in AVC rules allows tagging IP camera traffic for priority treatment. Question 25. Most WLAN clients are Apple iOS devices. To fix QoS issues, which configuration must be done? A. Enable Fastlane globally. B. Create AVC profile autocause AVC profile. C. Enable Fastlane per WLAN. D. Enable WMM spec negotiation. Correct answer A. Enable Fastlane globally. Explanation. Enabling Fastlane globally optimizes QoS and prioritization for Apple iOS devices automatically. Question 26. What is Cisco's recommended switch port configuration for APs with 8821 wireless phones? A. Trunk with Cisco Phone Trust. B. Access with Cisco Phone Trust. C. Access with Trust COS. D. Access with Trust DSCP. Correct answer D. Access with Trust DSCP. Explanation. DSCP Trust ensures end-to-end QoS marking consistency for wireless voice traffic. Question 27. Which RRC template guarantees at least 2 megabits per second per user for media stream? A. Coarse. B. Medium. C. Low. D. Ordinary. Correct answer B. Medium. Explanation. The medium RRC template reserves bandwidth for high-quality streaming up to 2 megabits per second per user. Question 28. To allow WebEx to override WLAN QoS profiles, which configuration is needed? A. Change WLAN bandwidth. B. Create AVC profile for WebEx. C. Create ACL for WebEx. D. Change WebEx app sharing to Mark. Correct answer D. Change WebEx app sharing to Mark. Explanation. Adjusting the AVC WebEx rule to Mark ensures WebEx traffic receives higher QoS priority. Question 29. Which feature guarantees reliable media stream delivery between FlexConnect APs? A. Unicast Direct. B. IGMP Direct. C. Multicast Direct. D. Multicast to Unicast Direct. Correct answer C. Multicast Direct. Explanation. Multicast Direct enables efficient and reliable media delivery between FlexConnect APs. Question 30. After enabling multicast on a controller with 500 APs, CPU utilization spikes. Which feature fixes this? A. Controller IGMP snooping. B. Multicast AP multicast mode. C. Broadcast forwarding. D. Unicast AP multicast mode. Correct answer B. Multicast AP multicast mode. Explanation. Enabling multicast AP multicast mode offloads multicast handling from the controller, reducing CPU load. Please revise full PDF 2 to 3 times for 100% success. Check the description for the PDF download link and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for upcoming episodes. Thank you.